Make a great choice today with the 2020 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, roof rails, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lights, power brakes, battery saver, body color door handles, braking assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.